Hey guys, do you have a card that does not connect to your phone because it's too old? I'm sitting in my 2008 G35 and it does not have Bluetooth connection to the this being a 2008, there's no Bluetooth connection to my phone, and that kind of sucks because, you know, when you get used to the convenience of, you know, just going in your car and your phone connects, it's kind of nice. So there is a way to, you know, go around this. One of the ways is connecting to your radio through a little adapter like this. So essentially your phone will connect to this device, and then this device will broadcast to the radio. So, and it's the one that plugs in your cigarette lighter. So let's take a look at it right quick here. Alright, so got a little handy booklet here. Looks like it's nicely colored. Yeah, the good thing about this one is it has USB charging here on top, and looks like it has a quick charger on one of them and like a normal charger on the other side. So that's pretty cool. You know, it's not going to be a slow charger. Alright, and that's how it comes in. That's the whole box. Oh wow, that looks actually really nice. Okay, and they kind of give you like this knob here. Alright, so my cigarette lighter is in here. I'm hoping this looks to be like it's enough. So if you have a scenario like this, where it's kind of deep in there, I don't even know if mine's going to work. It looks kind of tight, to be honest. Yeah, it is tight. Okay, I can go in there, but it's sideways. There are versions where they're a lot taller and they can even stick up here, you know, out and stuff like that. So I wanted something clean. I didn't want something to be sticking out. One of the things that I noticed, guys, it looks like you can plug in like a USB stick in here. You can put music in there and then you can just play straight from that. So that's kind of interesting. Anyways, looks pretty good. Alright, I'm going to stick it back in here. We're going to see if we can connect my Bluetooth and see if we can find it here. Alright, so here's something new that came up. Looks like it's called HY82S. So let's go ahead and click on that. Alright, so it looks like we're connected for call and audio. Alright guys, so I figured out a few things. First of all, that I was able to flip this thing up right side up, so it actually fit in there pretty good. It's just the right size here and it's perfect actually in there, so I guess I'm just going to keep it like that. Also, I figured out that to change the channels, you just hold this middle button here. Well, there we go. And it starts blinking. And then you can change it to any station you want. So I'm going to go ahead and go to 87.7. That's my last one on the... And you can hear something start playing.
Can never say.
So it is playing through the phone right now.
Rusty steel and rotten keys.
Look, I'm going to pause it and play it. I do hear like this very minor, like a hissing sound a little bit. Maybe because I don't have my volume here all the way up. Actually sounds worse. So that seems to be about right. Let's see, there's a volume here also, I think. Okay, yeah. Trying to listen to something normal here, see if I can. Okay, I know what that sounds like, so I should be able to hear. Honestly, I can tell already that the quality is not coming through. I'm going to try to change this to a higher frequency. Maybe that'll help the sound. So I'm going to try that next. Alright, so it seemed like it got a little better. So I went to 107.1. So I went on the higher frequency range. So it seems like there's a little bit better detail. I think once you turn it up, it sounds pretty good. Honestly, if you're not like all about I gotta have the best quality, because it's definitely doable. I mean, this is not bad. I wouldn't say it's like awful or anything, because I know stuff like this could be awful. This one's actually pretty decent. If you hold this button here in the middle, continue to hold it, it just turns off everything. As you can see, I got static now. So it just shuts down the whole thing.
Normal voltage. Waiting for connection. Bluetooth connection success.
So as you can see, guys, it tells you the voltage of your vehicle in the beginning, and then it connects to the Bluetooth. So that's pretty cool. So technically, you know, if you had a low battery, it would tell you, hey, you know, your battery's a little low. So it seems to work pretty good. If this is something that you're looking for, definitely look into this one, or maybe there's other designs that will accommodate your vehicle a little better. So, alright guys, so if you want to pick one of these up, I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful. And if you liked it, hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.